Okay, so here we are with my Craftsmen Briggs and Stratton Platinum 7.25 190cc. We have an issue where it is starting up or not starting at all actually. It's trying to start, so it's got spark, it's got air. We know that because the air filter is at least clean and know it needs to be replaced, but we're going to assume that that's decent enough to do the job. What we really need to do here is we need to look inside the carburetor, which is right there. So we're going to take these pieces off and we're going to go ahead and do that. Now we're through the magic of editing. We're going to go ahead and take this next piece off. Okay, so we are going to take these 3 bolts out. And now we have the carburetor exposed. Good job, everyone. Look at that. We got grass everywhere. I'm sure there's something wrong here. So yeah, if we get grass in the carburetor, it's not going to run right. Maybe not even stay running. So I think that's what the problem is. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so the first thing I did was I took the hose and I placed it up so that I don't lose all my fuel, and I removed it from the carburetor. Okay, so right underneath the float bowl here, or whatever this thingamajigger is called, the carburetor is inside. Anyway, so there is this bolt here, and if you see, there's a hole inside and there's a hole right there. Now if this is clogged up, then no fuel is getting to the system, thus no start, no bang bang, chooch chooch. Focus, you fuck. I love you, AV. Anyway, but I think we got it. Let's try to clean this out. We're going to put it back together and see if it'll start up. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so I got that bolt back in. Let's go ahead and see if she chooches. I'm gonna hold you right here. And. Okay, so she's running a little rough. Probably the whole carburetor needs a full, thorough cleaning. But for now, she runs. Yeah! Yeah! Isn't that right, Nathan? Yeah! Your bottle's clicking. Okay.